Who is it? Who just curved? I said who curved now? It's me, your majesty. You're so pitiful. How dare you curve? While I am doing mind-reading your foolish thing. I have sinned. Please forgive me. As I look into it, your hat is filled with the mud. Hey, royal guard, listen. Yes, he has full of Mara in his hat. Beat and kill the Mara. Your Majesty. What are you doing, Komojam? I said kill that man. Yes, Your Majesty. It's His Majesty's oath. Close your eyes. Spare me. Please spare me, Your Majesty. Please spare me. Yeah.